Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Good afternoon, good night, whatever time of the day it is. How are you doing? I am okay, giving God thanks for another day and for His blessings and for His goodness towards us. How is it going? How are you doing? How is everything? Bless up every time. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing to all my subscribers. I must big you up. God is going to make another way out for you guys. Okay, this morning or today or tonight or whatever time, guys, I'm going to show you. I'm going to make some red peas soup with pigtail and peas. Okay, you ever tried that before? Huh? Red peas soup. And over here now, this is my pigtail. Do you know pigtail? This is my pigtail. And this is my peas. I put it to soak from last night or overnight, and then I get up and I change the water. So this is ready for the pot. Okay, guys? And this is, I bought a potato at the store and a piece of yam and a piece of a chocho. It's like it's not good. Yeah, it is good. And a squash. And also, I'm going to put 2 bananas in it, 2 fingers. Okay, guys? And as I say, you put whatever you want to put in your pot. Okay? You don't have to be specific and banana can go in a soup. Yes, you can. You put whatever food you want to put in your pot. Okay, guys? Anything you want to put in your pot, you put it in your pot. Guys, you notice I have on an apron this morning? Yes, I put on an apron today. Alright? Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut. What I normally do, I cut the fat off. Look at it. Look at it, guys. So I always cut the fat off. And I have my pot here. Let me show you. Can you see, guys? I have my pot here waiting. So I'm going to scald it off. Boil off the salt from it. I put it to soak from yesterday. Okay, and I get up and I wash it off. So I'm going to scald it off with some boiling water. So you just watch the process as I go. Okay, guys, so look at me cutting off the fat. So my hot water is here waiting on me. Okay, guys, and of course I'm going to put dumpling in my pot. All right, okay, just watch as I go. So there is my water waiting to put my, I already washed and everything, but I'm still going to wash again. Alright? So I normally cut off the fat. The fat is not really good. So I have my base here waiting. If you don't want to cut the fat off, that's okay. If you don't want to, that's okay, that's fine. Some of them don't have on any fat. So when I'm buying, I try to look for the less fat. Okay, guys? Here, guys, I soak it already from overnight and I wash it already. So I'm just showing you how you should wash it, okay? I wash it already, soak it off already, and my water is here waiting on me, okay guys? So look at it. See it? You see guys? And I'm going to throw off the water. So my water is waiting, and you can stall it off at maybe like 7 minutes, say 8 minutes, okay guys? You can see? You can see? And over here, I have another pot waiting. You can see guys? I have another pot here waiting to put in my peas and my pigtail. So you sometimes, most time you have to boil the pigtail before, because it's a bit harder than the peas. Okay guys, so here my peas waiting for the hot water. Okay guys, so you just watch the process as you go. And as I say, if you don't want to cut the fat off, if you don't want to cut this off your meat, that's okay, that's fine. Throw away this in the garbage. So this here now is going to scald off for maybe like 7 minutes. Okay guys, so watch as you go. All right, yes guys, so you can see my pigtail has scald off or boiled off. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out because the pot is big. I don't want it to burn me. And guys, don't lift your pot like that. Use a strainer or a big spoon. Okay guys, and I'm going to do like this. And if you want to wash it again, no problem. I'm going to put it in here. I do like this guys. Stop using your hands. Use a long spoon or a long fork. Okay guys? Alright. So I'm going to take this off and put it in my sink, which is on the other side. Okay guys? So over here, I have my pot. This is my pressure cooker. Oh, I have my hot water here already waiting. Pots are very big. You see guys, so I'm going to boil it like 10 minutes, and then I put my peas in. Okay guys, so I'm going to off boil it and then I put my peas in. All right, but if you don't put your peas to soak from overnight, most time you have to put it together, right? But I put mine from overnight, so it's soft. Okay guys, so look at me now, watch as I go. So here's my, you can see guys, this is my pigtail. Oh well, I put some more water in it. Put some hot water in it. Put some more water in it guys. You see? Okay. But if you don't have the time, if you don't have a pressure cooker to cook it, you just put it and let it stay there and boil. Okay guys, but to save time and energy, you use a pressure cooker. Alright guys, so here's my pressure cooker there. Okay, so watch as I go. Alright guys, yes guys, look at this now. I have some hot water here, and I have the space on the stove. You don't have to do it like me, but I have the space on the stove. Okay guys, so I have the peas here. So instead of waiting on the pressure cooker for the pigtail, I'm going to start boiling my peas on this fire here. Okay guys, you don't have to do it like me. Look as I go. As I wash my peas already. Yeah, the pot boiling. Okay guys. And I'm going to put my peas in it. You see? That's my peas. And you don't have to do like me guys. That's because sometimes you can do one burner or two burner, but I have 4 burners. Okay guys, you can do this instead of waiting. Okay guys. And that's okay. I'm not going to put any more in it. Okay guys. So you can watch as I go. Let it stay there and boil. And then I combine them together. See my pot boiling up? See my pot boiling there. Okay guys? See my pot boiling up? You see? Boiling up. Okay guys? And my pressure cooker boiling also. So I'm going to show you now my food stuff. Okay guys? So this is my flour. My cornmeal in it, and I have 2 corn here, so I decided to put my corn in my red pea soup also. Okay guys, and I have my potato, as I said before, and my yam. I cut noodle. You use whatever noodle you want to use, or you use whatever food you want to use. Okay guys, so here I have my flour ready, so I'm going to put a little salt in it. I washed my hands already, but I'm going to wash them again. My sink is on the other side. Okay, guys? Alright. Yeah, wash my hands. And always wash your hands, guys. Always. Doesn't matter what. If you don't have a sink, use a basin with water in it and wash your hands. You can see my hands? They're all washed. Okay guys, but because the sink is on the other side, I cannot manage the camera on this side, so I have to use it on this side. Okay guys, but I have my running water. Hot water and cold water, I have both of them. So I'm going to make my flour now, okay? I put my salt in it already, so watch as I go. Guys, you don't have to cook like how I cook. You just cook in your own way. Use whatever you want. Don't let nobody say this is the way it's supposed to be cooked. You cook like how you want it to cook. I cook like how I'm showing you how I cook my stuff. And you don't have to have no special food to put in your pot. You put whatever you have. Use what you have. Granny and auntie always say, use what you have. What you have to use it. Okay guys? You have to go to the neighbor to beg them for pepper or whatever. Use what you have. Cook without pepper. Okay guys? I'm going to get some more water. As you see, I'm wearing my apron today. You can get it to buy at the store. And if you can make one, you can make one. Do it like this. So what I do now, I make it and I set it, let it stay there, maybe a 10 minutes, and then when it's set like 10 minutes, all these rough creases, all this roughness, set. Okay guys, I'm going to let it stay like there like for 10 minutes. You can try it, you don't have to make it unless you're on a rush, then you can put it in same time, but most time I let it sit there like for 5 minutes, and then that's good enough for it. Okay guys, that's what I guys do. Yes guys, so my meat is all cooked. You can see my pot there. Okay guys, and my peas is cooked also, but the peas is soft, so I'm not going to put the peas in until after I put the food in. Okay guys, so if your peas is too soft and you don't want to mash out, you can save it for when you're after you put in your food. So this is my meat. Let me show you my meat here. My meat is cooked, and also I have a corn in it. Okay guys, and as I say, you use what you have, so watch as I go. Okay guys, so I'm going to use what I have. Okay, so watch as I go guys. So I have my chocha here. I'm going to use it. I don't want it to be spoiled. You don't have to put chocho in it, but I put what I want because I don't want it to spoil. You don't have to put chocho in it. I use what I have, so you can use what you have also. I'm going to dice it like this, very big. You can see? And I'm going to put carrot in it. I don't want it to be spoiled also. I have a lot of carrots in my fridge, so I don't want it to be spoiled, so I'm going to put this in. Use what you have guys, use what you have. I'm just going to put the carrot like big, like this. I can eat it. Okay guys. If you want to cut it smaller, no problem. And my soup pot will take like 25 minutes to cook, or 30 minutes. Okay guys? And if you wanted to cut it smaller, no problem. You see it? I want to cut it smaller, no problem. But I want to eat mine like food. Okay guys? As I say, you use what you have. Don't say no carrot, I must not put in red pea soup, no chocho, nothing like those. No, you use what you have. My auntie say, use what you have. And I have a piece of squash here. I'm going to use it also. So make a comment how you cook your red pea soup. My soup is use what you have. That's the name of my soup. Use what you have. Okay? I'm gonna peel it like this, guys. The squash is soft. Alright guys, and I have 2 fingers of banana here. I'm going to peel it also. Use what you have. That's the name of my soup. And my water is boiling over here guys. Sometimes you go to the store, they put, when you buy a cup of soup, they put anything at all, any and everything in your soup. So you use what you have here. And as I say, I don't have a mic, I don't have a speaker, I have nothing, everything is broken. Guys, everything is broken. So I have to work without it until I can afford another one, because 2 has been broken already. 2, guys, 2. I don't know what happened, that's been broken. So here is my stuff here. I'm going to wash again. I'm going to show you my sink, which is over here. Can you see, guys? We're on this side. I'm going to wash. Can you see, guys? See, guys, I'm going to put it in my pot now. You can see the pot is boiling. Put in everything, doesn't matter, you put in everything. Okay. See, this is my red pea soup. The soup is not as dark as I expect, but I use what I have. Okay, guys, see, it's kind of a dark. This is my always clean your ears, guys. Okay, guys. I have a potato here. Oh, it looks dry. And if you don't have a potato, most people say you have to have potato in your soup. If you don't have a potato, that's okay. Use what you have. Just use what you have, guys. Use a bigger knife to cut it. Guys, have to be careful. So put it on your counter or your table and cut. You see, guys? The yam is very soft, so I'm going to put the yam in later after I put in my dumplings. So I'm going to wash on this side. See my pot here boiling. Okay, guys, my potato. And as I say, the name of my soup is use what you have. Don't let nobody say banana cannot put in your pot. You use what you have, guys. This is my soup. Oh, guys, I forget. It's two type of soup. It's red peas and a dark peas, small dark peas. I have a little, so I just combine them together. Okay, guys. So that's my pot. That's my red pea soup. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make my dumpling now. As I say, I'm gonna wash my hands on the other side. Yes, guys. This is how I make my dumpling, guys. See my pot boiling, guys. See, guys. Peas is not as red as I thought it would be, but I have to work with it. See, guys, if you have yellow yam, you can use yellow yam, but as I say, I am using what I have. Okay, guys, so my peas is, I'm going to put the yam in after. My peas is all here. So I'm going to put the yam, I'm going to peel the yam and put it in. Here's my piece of yam here, because it's very soft. See my yam there? I'm gonna wash. That's my yam. And guys, use up your strainer. Use a big strainer. Instead of putting your hand down in the pot, you use a big strainer, guys. Okay, guys? That's what I do now. I just use a big strainer. Like this. So instead of putting your hand down in the pot, you use a big strainer. Guys, can you see the pot? Okay, it's all finished. It's all with the food. I just use what I have, guys. Don't worry yourself. I use what I have. Taste the same. It's not what you're using it, it's the taste of it. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. In the next 5 minutes or so, I'm going to put my peas in. You can see I'm going to put my peas in. Here is my peas already cooked, but it's too soft. And guys, try to clean your areas as you go. Okay, guys? Have my noodle. Clean your areas as you go, guys. See my pot there boiling. Oops, you can see. You can see, guys. See? I'm gonna put my peas in now. Okay, guys, it's my peas. You can see my peas, guys. You can see, guys. You can see. My red pea soup, but it has in corn, potato, dumpling, chocho, banana. What I have, guys, I use it. You can see, guys. Okay, guys. So watch as I go. I'm gonna get my seasoning all ready. There you go, guys. That's my pot. Okay, as you can see, that's my pot. And see, guys, you see, let me show you a bit closer. Okay, guys, see my piece there. It's red peas and a small piece, just a few grains of small peas. Okay, guys. And over here, I have my seasoning. I have my scallion and my pepper. I'm gonna put some Maggi seasoning with all-purpose over here, right in my pot, because I'm not going to use no margarine, guys. And I have some pimenters. Okay, guys, you can see. And I have rosemary, thyme, and cloves. I just boil them. Okay, guys. So if you want to try by boiling them, that's okay. That's it. And that's my pot. And if the food is too much, you can take out some of the food and allow the pot to boil up. Okay, guys, so watch as I go. You can see here. You can see. Okay. And I have some water here. Some of the soup, it was too much water, so I took out some and put it away. But you can use this another time. You can put it in your refrigerator. If it's too much, you can put it in your refrigerator and use it another time. Okay, guys, don't waste your water. Okay, so watch as I go. You can see, guys, my soup. And what you can put in your soup is some coconut milk. Okay, guys, behind the scene, I just dip like 1 spoonful of coconut powder in it, and it tastes so good. You can see, guys, it's all finished. All finished. So there's my potato. You can see it. My meat. You can see my meat there. My corn. My meat. My dumpling. You can see my corn here, guys. And as I say, carrots. I like my carrots like I just eat it like food. Okay, guys, my banana is all here cooked. This you can see my peas. Okay, guys, you can see my peas. You can see that's my red pea soup. And I combine 2 peas together. Let me show you my peas. This is the peas I use. This is the peas I use, and I add some small peas here. This is the peas I use. I just combine a little of this with this one. Okay, but this peas is not as dark as I wanted it to be, but I just use what I have. And I say, as I say, the name of my soup is use what you have. Okay, you can see, guys, already. It's already, guys. My potato has mashed out, so it may give it a body. My squash also, small pieces. Okay, and also the banana is small pieces also. You can see there. And my peas. So I'm going to taste and let you see. Okay, guys, just watch as I go. Guys, this is my soup, my red pea soup with pigtail. Okay, guys, dumpling, corn, peas, you name it. Okay, guys, and as I say, you put whatever you want to put in your soup. Use what you have. Okay, guys, and I'm going to taste it. Okay, you can see my corn, my dumpling, my squash, my peas. You use whatever you have. Okay, guys. Here I am. Okay, see, I'm tasting my soup. Look at it. Wow, rich. You can see, so rich. You can see, guys. Do you want some? Tell me how you make your red pea soup. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for subscribing my channel, and thank you for viewing my channel. Okay, and for those who subscribe already, thank you very much, and those who intend to subscribe, thank you very much. Just like, share, and make a comment on my soup, guys. Bye bye, take care, love you, big up every time.